So if you're actually wondering how you can be able to be moisturizing your braided hair, I think you should watch this video because this is the right video for you. So I always get the question, is there any way I can moisturize my hair when it is braided, when I use hair extension to make my hair? Is it proper to use water to moisturize your braided hair? Things like that. So in this video right here, I'm going to be teaching you guys, also show you all the processes and things that I use to moisturize my braided hair. So this is the hair that I made recently. Ouch! Before the hair was made, I moisturized the hair properly before the hair extensions came in. The hair is so nice and fluffy and all of that. So this is the hair I actually made. So you can see it. It's so beautiful. I woke up today and I feel this hair is actually not moisturized anymore. There is no moisture in the hair. So I need to give my hair the moisture it actually deserves, because at the end of the day, moisture is what I need for my hair to grow longer. There is no how your hair will be growing longer if you're not properly moisturizing your hair. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair. This is actually an empty container. This is where I'll be mixing my leave-in conditioner and water. So I'll be doing it together. So I'll be putting a little quantity of leave-in conditioner, coconut oil, and then water. Mix them together, and that is what I'll be using as my spray for today. So let's just go into it quickly. This is the container I'll be using. This is actually an empty container that I'll be mixing the stuff. So you can see it can spray properly. So this is the leave-in conditioner, my Nature's Gentle Touch. So it's actually nice. It's scentless. If you are the kind of person that don't like scents in your products, you should go for this. So I'll also be adding my Eco Styling Gel inside, just a little, because Eco Styling Gel actually moisturizes, soothes, and defines hair coils. So I'll be using it. So this is a mega growth conditioner. I'll just add just a little. And the last but not the least product I'll be using is actually my coconut oil. So this is an organic coconut oil I've been using for a long time. I actually use it now as my cream. And then anytime needs be for my hair, I also use it. It's a multi-purpose for me. So trying to mix everything together, quick, quick, quick. So, oh, I didn't even actually mention the master planner of all this. My Able water. This is a sachet water. I'm in Nigeria, and sachet water is a thing in Nigeria. So, oh, I don't want this to pour. Gently pouring the water. Okay, that's enough. So I don't even know if you can see where this stops in this camera. So this is where it stops, like right here. This is where it stops. I don't know what I'm doing with light. I mean natural sunlight. These days, I actually prefer to use natural sunlight to record my videos because of the true natural reflection it gives. Like the way it just brings out the real you, the real sun. It does it better than all this artificial lightning like ring light and the rest of it. So for now, my ring light is on vacation. So let's go back to what we're here for. So this is the conditioner. Like I said, I'll be adding just a little, and then this is the container. I'll just be adding a little. Okay. I actually said a little. And truth be told, normally if I'm to use this conditioner to just only the conditioners to moisturize my natural hair, I'll actually be using more than this thing that I just poured inside this water. So after that, this is the mega growth. I'll just be adding this one is just a little. Mm, 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 mm. I'm actually adding this one just because of the scent. Like it has this very sweet scent. And in my former video, I actually talked about how it's very affordable. Yeah, but I went to go and shop this. Like mine finished. Like this one, as you can see, is almost exhausting. and I wanted to get another one. And something that I normally used to get 1,000 something in Nigeria here is now like 2,500 or something. I'm actually adding the Eco Styling Gel. I'm not going to be putting too much, just a little. So this is the Eco Styling Gel. So let me take, you saw the amount that I took before. So this is the extra I'm adding. Eee, why is my hand shaking? I don't even know. So I want to also use the opportunity to thank everyone here that always watch my videos, especially the ones that watch my video to the end. I'm really very grateful. So let's continue with the mixing. So this is the coconut oil. This coconut oil is going to just be a little. I don't want it to pour, 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 pour. Just a little. Just a little. Yeah, that's okay, baby. So we are going to do the mixing right now. Where the job is now is just the spraying, because I'm going to stand for some time to spray this. I'm going to shake this, make sure it mixes very well. Before I'll now start doing the necessary, like spraying it one after the other. This answers the question, can you actually moisturize your natural hair even on braids? You can. Start with this front place. And my roots will go in first to chop the the food. This is actually where the work lies. So if they ask these people now, the NEPA just took lights. Nigerian light issues. These people have not given us light for like 3 days now. This is the third day. And they just brought this light like an hour ago, right? Like it's an hour ago. And they are taking it now. So now if they ask them, now if you go to their headquarters and ask them now if they've given us light, they say, yes, they've given us light. An hour. My hand is already paining me. But the work never even reach quarter. I never even go anywhere. Is my hair shining white? So the thing is just taking up the water. Oh. Hey, this is just entered my ears. I just, when I'm trying to make videos for this guy, and I'm endangering my ears. Ah, my hand really hurts. Hmm. Now I'm sweating. What manner of dress is this? That's why I love that spray bottle I got from Jumia. You just hold it like this, you just be spraying like hold it one hand. This one as if I'm doing exercise of the this is the bicep and triceps. Mm. Guys, I've not even gotten half. I'm already sweating, but then I will show you guys. If you notice how I'm just doing it, I'm trying to get this every part of the strands so that every part of the hair will get the moisture. Mm. Hope I didn't spray on my mic. Please, oh, I don't have 44K again. Guys, have you watched all the videos I posted? There is this video I will be like I just posted. I posted the video is about flaccid gel, how I made the recipe, the DIY and all of that. It was so messy. If I actually posted everything that really happened on that day, you guys will use laugh and finish me. Oh my god, Pastor Dofuna. I mean the editor. The thing was really slimy. The flaccid gel. It was really slimy. To I actually use a container to try like so that I can be able to control the sliminess. Girl, it was not even it wasn't helping matters. Sometimes I don't even know. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Because whenever I listen to my videos, do you know that most of my videos actually put them in like times two? Or like sometimes in times 1.0.2. That is now being 1.2. That is the speed. Because I feel I talk slow. Like, is that true, JC? Do you think I talk slowly? Like as if I'm talking one. I really feel that. If I'm listening to myself over my videos. Everybody feels like that when they are listening to themselves. Really? So that you mean I don't talk one? Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section because I'll just be fast forwarding my videos all the time. Let me know. Yay. Next time I won't next time I won't put the water to be that much. I'll just put the water should to be like in this place, then mix everything. Because right now I'm tired. Normally I just used to make a little and then moisturize my hair. But as per I'm trying to show you guys how I do it now. I'm suffering myself. My hand is really paining. I bought one I actually bought one hair dryer, hair straightener, hair dryer. It's actually a hair dryer stroke hair straightener and all of that from Jumia, guys. I've not even had the audacity to post that thing online so that you guys will see it because I don't even know if it actually worked or I didn't use it the proper way. I don't even know. It's feeling like all these what I ordered versus what I got. Like, it's really crazy. So at this point, I'm done. Not like, yes, I'm done because I've actually moisturized the hair enough. So this is how it looks like. So after moisturizing, using all these liquid ones, like using all these conditioners and stuff, I'm going to be applying this my Ayurvedic hair oil. So if you actually want to know how I made the oil, let me know in the comment section. Inside here is rosemary and cloves and then coconut oil, Ayurvedic oil that I also made previously, and a lot inside coconut oil, carrot oil, castor oil. Most of them are inside there. So I'm using it to moisturize my scalp for more hair growth. Surely stimulate hair growth. You guys already know what um, rosemary does for your hair. So I won't be emphasizing about them now again because you already know. And then the last one. Please check out my playlist and see my videos you've not watched. Check out the ones you've not watched and look through them. You might be finding answers to questions that you've been long asking in one of my videos because you know what I'm saying. My videos are always very valuable. So you can check them out. So if there's any information you can get in any of them. And remember guys, I always used to say this. If for example or for instance I've not talked about hair conditions or hair problem or I've not really touched the hair part of life, I don't know how to say it, or I've not touched that kind of thing that is really affecting your hair, and you want me to give you the answers or like help you to explain and tell you how you can solve them, always tell me in the comment section. I'll always be there to come and get you. I'll hold you by your hands and we'll move it. I remember one time last 2 weeks, I dropped a video about, last 3 weeks or so, I dropped a video about how to get rid of dandruff. So someone saw my video on one of my friend's status and she actually hit me up. So she now told me everything about her hair. She now said that she watched my video and she loved everything. But then she has tried some of the things that I mentioned there and it is not actually working, that the dandruff is still there and all of that. So I was like, okay, that probably she should just let us just try again one more time before she go see a dermatologist. So she was like, okay. So she went to the supermarket. She called me on video call, and we were choosing the shampoo and conditioner and other hair products she should try. So I'm here to like actually say that she tried those. She tried those. She tried those products that I recommended, and she's really recovering so fast from dandruff. And the last I checked on her, she was like, yeah, that is no more that severe and she's getting over it. I was so happy. And the product are product that she doesn't have to use all the time. It just once in like 2 weeks she'll be using them, sometimes once in a week, because you have to use it to wash your natural hair and all of that. I was so happy. So if you are also part of that, maybe you want me to help you or you want me to recommend a product for you for a particular problem you've been passing through with your natural hair, do not hesitate to let me know. Get my attention, I'll put it through. So for the shampoo and conditioner, I asked her to get Head and Shoulders brand, Heads and Shoulders. So she got them and she tried it out, the anti-dandruff one, and she really loved them. She said it did justice to her natural hair. So I was so happy for her anyways. So we are done with this moisturizing phase. Please make sure you watch all my videos. Go to my playlist. You see them there. I'm really thankful for the ones where you don't watch. Bye. See you in my next.